Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado specific, fully restored show quality carburetor. This is the original Rochester Quadrajet 702 7235 as depicted by the 1 year only round label on the side, right there. So this is the Eldorado specific carburetor. It is performance tuned for the original 429 engine used in 1967 for the Eldorados. This is for my friend Scott in Colorado, and it will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is performance tuned and has the correct jets and flow frequency specific for the 429 engine in the 1967 Eldorado. Beautiful. The body has been dipped when separately disassembled in the dichromate colorizing solution. Okay, so we have a beautiful result. Let's take a look at the internals. And I'll go ahead and turn it over. All right. So this unit was fully restored. It's a show quality unit. It'll be going to my friend Scott in Colorado as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. Just as George in Florida, I have over 75,000 original vintage, fully restored items just for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. I have 375,000 items overall from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as these fully restored original vintage Quadrajet carburetors. Today is Friday, August 22nd. Thank you very kindly.